Hi everyone, my name is Zoe, I work at the Solar Centre, and today we are going to be unboxing and telling you everything you need to know about the Dorchester Solar Wall Light. Let's get going. So in the box we have the instructions, the screws for mounting it to the wall, and we have the light itself. Now there is additional packaging with this box because the outside is made of glass, and there's a vintage effect filament bulb included that gives off 60 lumens of light. There's 2 screw holes at the back of the unit, so all you have to do is line up the screws and mount it to the wall. Everything you need to install this light comes in the box. Now you'll only have to turn on the light once as it has an automatic dusk till dawn sensor. It means that as soon as it gets light outside, the light will turn itself off and the solar panel will begin charging. Then as soon as it gets dark, the solar panel detects it, turns on the light, and you'll have up to 10 hours of illumination. Turning this light on is very simple. There is an on button inside of the light. Pop your hand in, press the button on once, and then screw the bulb into place. And then as soon as it gets dark, the light will turn itself on. Now, this light is 221 millimeters long, 121 millimeters wide, and 121 millimeters in depth. The solar panel is completely integrated into this light, so there is no need to run any cables whatsoever. The light is made with a contemporary black aluminium and has this beautiful glass surround on all sides. It's perfect for any entranceway, wall, or garden fence, and it also has a power saving mode for the winter. The way that you would turn this on would be simply by unscrewing the bulb and pressing that on button just one more time. So the bulb colour for this light is a warm white, and though the bulb is replaceable, we don't currently stock it. But on our website page, you will see which bulb it is. So for any additional questions about this product or any of the products that we sell, please just comment them down below and I will get back to you with the answer. I hope you've enjoyed this video about this gorgeous, elegant Dorchester solar wall light. I certainly have, and we will see you on the next one.